Hello guys, this is our video reaction about the karapatan of our West Philippine Sea.
And I am Samuel Lacol Jr.
And I am Jason Quezon. This is our video reaction. So number one is, what is the historical basis for the Philippines claims in the West Philippine Sea, and how does it align with international law?
The historical basis of the Philippines claims in the West Philippine Sea, and also known as the South China Sea, can be traced back to the various historical documents, treaties, and geographical evidence. The West Philippine Sea is a vital part of the Philippines' territorial water, and it claims is supported by several factors. First, the historical records. The Philippines has historical records dating back to the 10th century that show its presence and sovereignty over the islands and waters in the West Philippine Sea. Second, treaties and agreements. The Philippines has relied on historical treaties and agreements to support its claim. Third question. What evidence exists regarding the alleged secret deal between Rodrigo Duterte's administration and China, and how this impact the Philippines' sovereignty in the region?
So for that question, there have been allegations of a secret deal between Rodrigo Duterte's administration and China, particularly concerning the South China Sea dispute. However, no concrete evidence has made public to support these claims. The Philippine government has consistently denied the existence of any such secret agreement. So, the impact on the Philippines' sovereignty in the region depends on the nature of the alleged deal. If it involves ceding Philippine territorial claims in the South China Sea, it would indeed have significant implications for the country's sovereignty. However, without evidence to support these allegations, it is crucial to approach these claims with caution and maintain a fair perspective.
So last question. How have regional tensions, including military activities and resource exploitation, influenced the Philippines' approach to asserting its claims in the West Philippine Sea?
So, the Philippines' approach to asserting its claims in the West Philippine Sea, also known as the South China Sea, has been significantly influenced by regional tensions, military activities, and resource exploitation. The complex issue involves multiple countries, including China, Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei, and Taiwan, all of whom have overlapping territorial claims in the area. First, military activities. The increased militarization of the region by various countries, particularly China, has raised concerns for the Philippines. 2. Resource exploitation. The West Philippine Sea is believed to be rich in natural resources such as fish, oil, and gas. Third is international legal actions. To assert its claims in the West Philippine Sea, the Philippines has relied on international law and diplomatic efforts. So, in the fifth question, what are the implications of the Philippines' engagement with other nations, such as the United States and ASEAN, in addressing disputes and ensuring maritime security in the West Philippine Sea?
The Philippines' engagement with other nations, particularly the United States and the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, or ASEAN, plays a crucial role in addressing dispute and ensuring maritime security in the Philippine Sea. This collaboration has several implications. First, strengthening diplomatic relations. Engaging with other nations helps the Philippines to maintain strong diplomatic ties. Second, international support. By collaborating with the United States or ASEAN, the Philippines can garner international support in addressing maritime disputes. Third, legal recourse. The Philippines' engagement with ASEAN is lead to the establishment of the ASEAN Lead Regional Forum. Fourth, enhanced military capabilities. Collaboration with the United States, particularly through Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement or IDCA, allows the Philippines to access advanced military technology, training, and resources. Fifth, regional stability. The Philippine engagement with other nations contributes to maintaining regional stability. Sixth question. How do you think does this documentary affect the maritime industry? How do you think this also affects you as a future seafarer?
So, as a future seafarer, the documentary on the Philippine Sea territory, we have several impacts on both the maritime industry and my career. Firstly, it could provide my valuable insights into the geographical, legal, and political aspects of the region, which is crucial for navigating and operating in these waters. This understanding will be essential for my role as a seafarer, as I will need to be aware of the specific challenges and opportunities that the Philippine Sea territory presents. Secondly, the documentary may highlight the importance of maritime security, environmental conservation, and sustainable practices in the region. As a future seafarer, I will be responsible for ensuring that my vessel operates in the compliance with these principles. This could involve adhering in international maritime laws, minimizing environmental impact, and promoting safe and responsible practices on board. Moreover, the documentary may also influence my personal values and beliefs about the maritime industry and my role within it by learning about the challenges faced by the Philippines in maintaining its sea territory I may develop a stronger sense of responsibility and commitment to contribute positively to the maritime community. That's all, and thank you. So we will add more about our video reaction.
Our video reaction about the West Philippine Sea. We can see in the video that the Chinese government manipulates us, the Philippines, who is a small country, small sovereignty, and only limited capabilities of our military. And totally, the Chinese government disrespect the UNCLOS to the United Nations, the law of the sea. Even though we win the tribunal case, still the Chinese government didn't affect their decision to conquer the West Philippine Sea.
So as we can see in the video, they destroy the coral reef and exploiting our natural gas resources in the West Philippine Sea.
That's our overall video reaction about this topic, West Philippine Sea. Thank you.
Thank you, and God bless.